Catherine Bernardo update. Yung last night, kumain pa nga sa labas. Sila Catherine kasama ang kanyang ate at kuya. Pati si Alora. Nag-selfie pa nga sila sa elevator. Yan pa yung mga IG story ni Catherine. Mga endorsement niyang gaya ng Realme at Century Tuna Super Band. Ito yung post ni Catherine sa kanyang social media for Anchorland.
Experiences, moments, memories, and things that will make my life even better. So don't be afraid to be more daring, to be more confident, at syempre, smarter with your investments. Buti na lang I started early, and you should too. Invest in things that will benefit you the most, like this new investment concept by Anchorland. Invest early and earn early, because your property is your business too.
Yan o. Catherine Bernardo for Anchorland.
A busy day for
Ito naman yung
Catherine.
behind the scene ni Catherine for IBI Collagen.
Nothing blooming and
Endorsement ni
beautiful.
Catherine.
Thanks to Ivy Premium Collagen.
Tapos ito yung picture ni Catherine na nagpunta siya sa Landers. Sabi na nag-post, yan, thanks for visiting Landers Cat. Ganda pa nga ng posing ni Kat. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell for more update. Ito po ang Chor Reaction Vlog. Bye guys, thanks for watching.